Hello people, it is Super Bowl Sunday and we are yet doing another Super Bowl vacuum test. I'm sorry I couldn't do last year's because, we were doing construction, if you don't know. Those of you who've been watching my construction videos, that's why I couldn't do the test last year, because lots of stuff was all over the garage and I just couldn't do it. But we're doing it this year. I haven't done this since 2019, Super Bowl Sunday 2019. So, it's been 2 years. So first we're starting with Bissell Clean V2 Bagless Plus. And the Dirt Devil. Next off we have the Dirt Devil Breeze Cyclonic. Number 3 we have the Eureka Optima. Number 4 we have the Dyson DC14 Animal. Number 5 we have the Dyson DC25 Animal. So this is going to be round 1. Alright, we're starting round 1 now. Oh, and by the way, it says Go Chiefs because I'm from Kansas City. So it says Go Chiefs right here. So anyway, let's get started. White cleaning path just went on the hardwood floor, so that's okay. Anyways, let's start with the Dirt Devil Breeze Cyclonic. Foot pedal's not aligned properly. Alright, number 3, Eureka Optima. Fix the hose. There we go. Now, number 4, Dyson DC14 Animal. Alright, lastly, number 5 for this round, Dyson DC25 Animal. Alright, let's see what did the best. Alright, actually, you guys say what did the best. Alright, so that's it for round 1. Alright, now, but wait, there's a second round.
What?
Relax, Anger Grandpa. Next we're doing the bagged vacuums. So anyways, we have a commercial break.
See?
My vacuum is purple. They say it doesn't lose suction.
My vacuum makes me look good.
My vacuum was in a fashion magazine.
My vacuum's a wind tunnel, and it cleans better than Dyson.
The self-propelled wind tunnel by Hoover cleans carpet 56% better than Dyson. It's proven by the only recognized test representing real-life conditions in American homes. After all, do you want people to look at your vacuum or your clean home? Wind tunnel technology by Hoover. Clean to the highest power.
Nobody does it like you.
Nobody has harnessed the power of the wind like Wind Tunnel by Hoover. A breakthrough in cleaning power. Hoover tested Wind Tunnel against other leading brands. The difference is remarkable. Others scatter much of the dirt, but Wind Tunnel channels the power of the wind, picking up more dirt than any other clean air upright. Only from Wind Tunnel by Hoover.
Does it like you?
Introducing the all-new Eureka Ultima. It doesn't just clean carpets. It goes where no other vacuum has gone before to help you get a complete clean. Up high with the only telescopic self-cleaning duster. Down low with the exclusive powered edge cleaner. And with the riser visor, it goes everywhere in between. The new Ultima from Eureka, invented for the way you clean.
We're at a famous restaurant outside Chicago where we've secretly replaced the coffee with sand and ground up clamshells. Let's see what happens. Relax, Monsieur Andre. This is all to prove a point about how well the Regina electric broom cleans beautiful bare floors. Zip, zip, no more clamshells. Now, if the Regina electric broom can do such a good job here, imagine what it can do in your home. Just ask Monsieur Andre.
To play a game of hide and seek now. Or do you have to hurry off to save the day now? Signal in the sky. Let's go!
It's time to plus your clean with the powerful new Capture from Eureka. It captures dirt up high with a telescopic self-cleaning duster. Plus, down low with a dual-powered edge cleaner. And it captures dirt everywhere in between with a unique cleaning brush. Plus, a HEPA filtration system keeps virtually all that dirt out of the air you breathe. It all adds up to one complete clean. The new Capture from Eureka. Invented for the way you clean.
Haha, welcome back, people. It's time for the bagged round. So, first off, we have the Kirby Centria. I don't know which Centria this is. If you guys know, just comment down below. Alright, so now the second one is the Santerre SC684 commercial. The third one is my Good Hoover Wind Tunnel Anniversary Supreme, bagged up right. And my fourth one, and the fourth one is Kenmore Progressive Canister Vacuum. It's bagged. And the final one, the fifth one, is a Hoover Elite Energy Efficient from 1991. That one's vintage. Alright, first we're starting off with the Kirby. And I forgot to draw the carbon Go Chiefs, but I did in the first one. So let's get
going!
Left a little mark because of the brush plate. Alright, so next is Santerre SC684. That did the same thing as the Kirby. Alright, so now it's Hoover Wind Tunnel Anniversary Supreme in 2009. The carpet vacuum takes a little bit of dust over on the Santos side. Alright, so now is the now we have the Kenmore Progressive from 2015, I think. I don't know. The highest setting. That did pretty well. Swivel that around. Alright, so now we have the Hoover Elite Energy Efficient from 1991. That did pretty well. So, anyways, I think the Hoover, no, it left a little bit. I think the Hoover Elite won, even though the brush plate's in the way. So, anyways, go Chiefs! Have a great Super Bowl game, and we'll see you all on the next vacuum test.